Developers, please fix this ASAP because I don't know what's going on in this clip. How am I supposed to explain this? Yo, welcome back to another video with your boy Legends about the new update coming up. You guys have already seen in my previous videos little snippets of the Nürburgring map. That's a new location that we have here, but I didn't give a full lap tour, you know, like a little time attack like the screen says up there. I didn't give you guys a time attack, but a little disclaimer, I am no professional racer. I don't know this track very well. I am washed when it comes on to racing, especially with the physics changes on CPM 2 and my limited arsenal of tunes available. I haven't done any racing tunes at all. So with that said, expect some mistakes. Oh my god, bro. And me being a little fearful of the track. Yeah, this track is scary if you don't know what you're doing. Like the speed I'm going and stuff like that on the understeer in CPM 2 that we have now, it's pretty scary, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, don't expect perfection, but I'll still give you guys some good speed. What else am I missing? Shoutouts. Haven't done any of those in a minute, so quick shout out to these awesome viewers and subscribers. Thank you guys for supporting the channel as always. If you want to be shown in a future video, you just comment shout out down below. You can drop a like and subscribe and comment, you know, whichever part of the video is your favorite and what you think about the updates, stuff like that. So we're not keeping the intro too long, let's dive right into it. And this time around I'll be using my Mercedes, the C63. It's not by far the best car for this track. It's definitely not the perfect track car in CPM at all, but I just love the body kits and it had a livery on it for me, and I haven't driven it in a while, so I said why not? It looks track ready, let's take it for a spin, whether it's perfect or not, just to have some fun, you know? So I hope you guys enjoy it just as much as I have, and can't wait to see it all in the final release.